Good morning. So, got a visitor last night, and we're going to do a little bit of wrenchman this morning before he gets on the road. But this is Jeff Bloch, also known as
squatter.
yeah, Jeff Bloch, also known as Speedy Cop, and this is the Upside-Down Camaro. It's a
It's a 99 Camaro body on a 1990 Ford Festiva.
Yep. And so we're going to do a little bit of wrenching on it.
Cool. Just going to throw in how you were a great host.
The belt's acting up a little bit, it's causing squawking, so he's got to do a little fix on that. And then we're going to try to put a little bit of a roof on this thing because he may be driving through some rain today.
Yeah, it would suck.
Yep. All right. Yeah.